Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coins Alert, your place to get your crypto fix. I'm Ripple Van Winkle, and I'm your boss. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you had a great weekend. Boy, it's Sunday, June 2nd. Oh boy, the first half of the year has gone by so quickly. The second half of this Bitcoin bull run is almost here. We watched the first half start on January 12th around March. Bitcoin went straight up and went through a steep curve. We saw that people in deep correction were scared. People started to worry that altmark might hit an all-time high, but Bitcoin was already at its all-time high. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not going to happen because Bitcoin is going to break back out. Now is the time for it to happen. This thing is going to blow up. The goal we are aiming for is 74,000. Every day you should watch this station. Tell me what's more than 74,000. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. We're going to talk about Bitcoin in this show. The price line is what we'll look at. After that, we'll talk about how Ripple, Custody, and their stablecoin are linked. There is a lot going on. We're here to help you put it all together. So don't wait any longer. Sit back and take it easy. Let's take a Bitcoin. $68,231.00. Right now, it's up 0.78% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum, 0.17% and up almost 8% in the last 90 days. So everything is green. 3,795 USDT and USDC are now both pegged to the dollar as XRP. It's a mean 51 cents. It's coming in at 9%. It is now 0.5% less than it was. Not what we want to see, but what have you seen in the last 30 days? We're up 0.5%. There's some green there for XRP. Do not worry. Do not worry, XRP. The rise is on the way. Don't give up now, be strong and hold on. Cardano is one more. Still, we haven't seen them break out. Some coins like Solana have already tested the market or the water, but they haven't done that yet. It will happen, and it will happen for us too. The total value of all cryptocurrencies on the market is $2,147 billion. Where are we going, everyone? This summer is going to be great. That seems like the best way to sum it up. We're not going to accept these prices. Not even close. The story that I've seen going around on Twitter is not true. A bull run is going to happen. This is something we always see. You should check it out for yourself if you don't believe me. Get the 2016 and 2017 records and look at them. Look at the chart from 2020 and 2021 to see when the event in the book happened and the Bitcoin bull run started. Also, I want you to look at the same time window. I want you to look at the real date of the halving. This data and research should only take you 10 minutes at most. Pull up the halving date. In 2016, 2017, 2020, and 2021. And I want you to look at how long it took for the markets to go up and go completely parabolic after the event. It's the exact same pattern, as you can see. Things are going to work out. As we break above $100,000, Q3 and Q4 look incredibly strong for Bitcoin. 2025 is the plan for 40 alts to run. How do we know this? It is easy. When did all the coins pop during the bull run in 2016 and 2017? For XRP in January 2020 and 2021, they did the right thing. When did all the coins pop? So these are 4-year rounds then. 4 plus 21 equals 25. In 2025, we'll finally have an XRP shop. Hurry over there now because they're running out. We had a soft start. The glasses were added. We knew that people would want the tumblers. These people are crazy flying is carved right into the cup. These are the big boys, 30-ounce bad boys. The block for the summer. I have no idea why the block sells so quickly. There might not be enough of the black cup to keep it in stock, but there are more army green cups coming in. Right now, shop.xrp.com. This is my store sent straight to you. You can come to Jamaica, New York if you're in the US, and we'll send it to you. We take care of it at the foreign warehouse if you're not in the country. We have several stores so that we can ship to you as quickly as possible. This is for people all over the world, and shipping is always free at the shop. Hey people, you should go look at it. Leave. Have fun and remember that we accept big cryptocurrencies like XRP. It costs about 65 XRP per cup, and you can pay with cash, credit card, or debit card. Head over there now. Mayweather, Floyd Jr. It is beginning to show itself. This is how I know the prices are. Going up. Okay, Caitlyn Jenner is the first one. She makes a lot of money with her own cryptocurrency, and then she tells people to sell them when she has a shop or a theory of isn't it a rug pull. Then we know it's a rug pull. Iggy Iglesias gets up and walks out. She gets her own coin and makes a lot of money. I don't get why these famous people are releasing their own digital coins. They have a lot of money already. What's the point of trying to get more money from people? They know they'll be sued by the SEC, so they're going to give all that money back. They're not going to fight the SEC. Keep telling the same story we. Saw in 2017 and 2018, but Floyd Mayweather is back and has a new ring. That's it. Don't touch or buy it. Sal Hale, let's go. But Floyd Mayweather has worked on other things in the past. 12 of the ideas were all fake. Zach XBT told him to shut up. Floyd Mayweather called him out and sent him a direct message asking him to take down the post. 1313 scams, people. His last one, only made $193,000. That's still $193,000. He ripped people off and ran away with their money. We're going to see something crazy. Famous people come. What? How does it work? Forget about meme coins and famous people. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoin are all gone. It's all coming together. It was put out by Credible Crypto. This is the first time since 2017 that we have broken out against the M1 money quantity. Would say that we are still in the same cycle that started in 2018 and that the real peak of this cycle has not yet happened. Credible Crypto says the same thing I've been saying for years, who's ready for a soaring growth. There you have it. I told you Bitcoin hasn't yet had its completely crazy run up its parabolic blow off top. No one has ever seen Bitcoin break its all-time high before it was split in half. It means that this thing is going to go crazy. People have set goals of $250,000 on Bitcoin. The enemy is out there. Could it really happen? Yes, that's the scary part. Then we understand that's how security tokenization and stablecoins are linked. The breaking of the link between the geo component and the funds component. Pay attention. Those 150 billion stablecoins that are out there. I think this is just the beginning of how things are going to get worse. It looks like we're in the top of the first inning. I don't think we can, and I think we should just assume the market is set. We hope to see stablecoins and trillions of dollars in assets under management. The market will gain from more companies entering it and strong companies that want to be there. A lot of that trade takes place on crypto markets, and a lot of it is done by institutions. Most of the time, producers have made money off of stablecoins by earning interest on the reserve. They are backed by paper money. So when someone gets one means one token, they also get real currency that is put into a reserve and used to buy assets. Those things bring in money. That's how the issuer has always made money. I think that the monetization approach is a bit of a holdover from the way interest rates work now. I think and hope that interest rates will be lower in 5 years. However, I also believe that a lot of what you're seeing will happen in the asset management area. Even though we've been talking a lot about payments, there's also a lot going on with BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, Fidelity, and other asset managers. In other words, I do believe that the deal part and the cash part will become separate. And I think my view of the future is that if you are the CFO of a big company that deals in digital currencies and you have extra cash, you will put it in a tokenized money market fund or something similar and get a return on it. Then when you want to send money, you will turn that tokenized money market fund into a stable coin, which is tokenized money, and then send the stable coin. I do believe that a steady coin is not the best way to get yield. Money market funds that have been tokenized are not great payment tools, and payment tools should be what they're supposed to be. After that, the safe coins will make money from transaction fees instead of the reserve. In order to explain this, we said, look, we optimize for things that are specific for payments on our network. We care about know your customer KYC. Our goal is to get things done. We care about being able to grow. It's all very interesting, right? This makes sense because it lines us up. This one. According to Yicene, a reliable source told me that Ripple and Polysign will release a joint statement about the future of standard custody in Polysign as soon as the acquisition by Ripple is approved by regulators. This should happen within the next 1 to 2 weeks, so keep an eye on that. The stablecoin XRP record was sent to us, and XRP is being used as a gas token. They just broke it down for us. What will happen with custody tokenization and stablecoins? Can you see how everything fits together? During this time, Dr. Fender, he said,